Hey, what's going on, all my sadistic picking friends? We are finally going to get this baby done up and fixed. This, a little bit of this, a little bit of this, and this. We're going to get it all done, taken care of today with springs from the old set, or an old block, which I'm going to have to replace these springs too one day. Let's get the tweezers. Let's get to feeding some of these in. Let's hope they fit. Oh, they don't. Uh-oh. Well, that's a bummer. I don't know if we got spring. I don't think I have springs small enough for this. Nope. Well, that one fit in there, but that doesn't belong to it. They have more of them springs? No, they don't. What the fuck? Okay, well, apparently this master lock does not take American lock size springs. Oh, they going. Hold on. Nope, not gonna go. I'm not gonna mess up a spring because it's being stubborn. Okay, well, we don't have the pieces to fix this lock. I'm gonna have to ask a locksmith. Wow, shit. Okay, this project's pretty much done, but just for shits and giggles, because I got everybody here, let's see if the little C-clamps I made don't work for it, and see if we can get it to open this lock, because my little one accidentally closed it on us. So we can at least do that much and see if me cutting the crimp off was a good thing to do. Alright, what did we do with the little core? There it is. And let's get it in the right way. There we go. And we will try number 1. Okay, I think I clipped it at the right place. Huh. Okay, that's super big. Let's see if we can't crimp it. Alright, so that one isn't a good fit. I think that's the smallest one I got. Now this is the one I originally tried and worked. Okay, here we go. We might have a winner here. Oh, winner, chicken. Uh-oh. I think we got a winner. One that's gonna work just enough. Okay. Yeah! Now, the real test. Will the key still work? Key still fits in there. It turns. It isn't sloppy. Nice and tight. Okay, so we got them two elements. Now let's see if we can fit it back into the core, because the first one we tried was like this. The second one we tried was this style. And is what I did was I cut the inside of these out for this one, which I think will work really good on the bigger cores. And then on this one, I literally just cut the O off, but left a little stub there, and then took the grinder and ground it out a little bit. The reason why I wanted to leave a little bit of the stub, make it easier when somebody goes and takes a hook and tries to push it out. All right, so on to the next part before this gets too terribly long. All right. Yeah, and we have that. Okay, so as soon as I get a hold of my buddy, the picksmith, we'll see if they have springs small enough to fit in this. I might have to send him my oh no, I lost it. The one spring I found, I think this went to something else, but the inner diameter fits quite nicely. What's crazy is this looks like it would fit. I don't understand why these aren't working for this lock. I don't get it. Why, Jesus, why? But hey, at least we got a new clip for it, and it is a workable core again. Once we find us some new springs, we will fix this lock. So we will put it up and await to see if we can't get any springs. All right, everybody. Oh shit, I don't even know if that was in the camera. I was looking down. This one worked and fit inside of it. This one is still too big, and that comes from an American lock. Anyway, hit the like if you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share it out to everybody you know. Because you know, the more we bring in, the better the channel gets. Right? Fingers crossed. Hippie picking, y'all.